Allan Okoth, and today I'm going to present to you Civic Voices, a virtual town hall app for participatory democracy. Nairobi is one of the largest cities in East and Central Africa with a population of over 5 million residents. Like all other municipalities in Kenya, they are all required to consult the public before they make major decisions. Else, the courts can overturn these decisions. And to fulfill this requirement, Nairobi allocates $2 million towards public consultation, most of which is spent on hosting in-person town hall events. But the truth of the matter is, in-person town hall events no longer work. Not only are they expensive and chaotic to host, but also exclude majority of the people like you and me, who might be at work at the time of these events. As a result, less than 10% of the population are represented in these decisions. To address this challenge, today I present to you Civic Voices, a digital town hall app for government institutions and municipalities. Government institutions can host online consultation, receive feedback from millions of people instantly, and report back the findings back to the public. What makes us unique is we've integrated decentralized identity on XRP, which enables us to only allow eligible participants to participate while preserving their privacy. As of today, we've piloted with Nairobi County, where we double their participation rates per policy, as well as reduce their cost of consultation by 67%. This helped us onboard more municipal cities, one of which is already a paying customer, and 3 are in the pipeline for a pilot. And today, I asked for $50,000 grant to power 2 pilot programs, as well as a partnership with municipalities, so that we can scale participatory democracy in all democracy globally. Thank you.